Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you how to restore backup. In the beginning, take a look at the settings of your smartphone. Now go to System and Updates, Backup and Restore, and enable Auto Restore. This function will restore backed up settings and data to apps when they are reinstalled. If you want to restore backup from your Google account, after first setup of your smartphone, download, make sure to connect with your Google account, and then during setup select backup. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.